Hello everyone, Sophia again today with an exciting video, and today I'm going to do a recipe that is to take away the, when you have your elbow and it's very dark. So this recipe is basically to take away the darkness around the elbow. It can be used as well on your knee too as well. So I've already prepared the mixture, and my mixture is with baking soda and milk. Yeah, for this mixture. And so I'm going to go ahead and add this mixture to my elbow, and I'm going to rub it for a while. And this mixture, it allows your elbow to get actually clear. Take away all that darkness from your elbow. That's what it does. Well, of course, my elbow is like that. It's not all that dark, but at least this will help it to get a bit clearer. And these are those simple recipes that you could use, simple ingredients that you get normally from your house. So you rub on this mixture for a few minutes. So let's do the other side. Oh, I need some more of this mixture in the hand. So I'm going to rub this side too as well. And after rubbing, this mixture can be used every day. You could prepare this mixture and just use it on your elbow every day, and also on your knee if you want it. It's a bit dark and you want to get it a bit light. So you massage in a circular motion just for a few minutes, and then you rinse with water. So I'm now going to rinse my hand, my elbow, with soap and water. And I'm dying to see the result of my hand here, of my elbow. So I'm actually going to dry my hand. Wow. 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 It's not as dark as before. Oh my goodness. This is good. This is good. Well, it's actually my first time actually trying, and this is the finished result. And this mixture is basically to get rid of the dark area around your elbow and your knee. So this is all for today. I want you to go ahead and check out my blog at www.bagofbeautytips.de. And I'm also looking forward for your comments, whether you have tried it and whether it has worked or so. So I'm also going to post underneath this video. I'm going to post the recipe. So until next time with another exciting video, bye!